Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your aerospace engineering firm business. Suppose as the owner of aerospace engineering firm business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to handle client questions about project timelines, service capabilities and compliance documentations. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When users send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your aerospace engineering firm business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type I want satellite integration and testing service. After typing, you will see I am getting a response. Welcome to Aeronova Technologies, Engineering Innovation Beyond Earth. How can we help you today? Now we have in three options. Explore our services, book consultations, project requirements. Now simply I am clicking explore our services. Here are our core engineering services. Now we have an option book consultations, project requirement. Now we click on book consultation. After clicking, you will see I am getting a response. Let's set up a consultation with our engineers. What's your full name? Now I am entering my name, test user. After typing name, you will see I am getting a response. Thanks test user. What area do you need help with? Now I am typing satellite integration and testing. After typing, you will see I am getting another response. What date time would work for the call? Now I am entering date and time 25 May 2025 and time 10 am. After entering date and time, you will see I am getting another response. Name, test user, project topic, satellite integration and testing, date and time. Well confirm and share a meeting link. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. We can also check all the responses in our inbox section which we have received on WhatsApp. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com. After typing, we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in, so I will sign in. After sign in, we will see 7 products. We have to click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on Add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID, and select the folder and simply click on Next. After clicking Next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on Accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side. I already explained inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queues. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. In this section we use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have flows section. With the help of flows, we are creating our new chatbot. Simply click on add flow and start creating the chatbot. Now we have an option AI assistant. We use AI assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now we want to create our chatflow. Simply click on flows and we want to create our new chatflow. Click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your aerospace engineering firm business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter keywords. Hello, hey, and so on. Why we use keywords? Keywords we commonly use to trigger the chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. If the user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we take text button and write some message on it. Welcome to Aeronova Technologies, engineering innovation beyond Earth. How can we help you today? Now we also add buttons. Explore our service, book consultation, project requirements, and simply connect the flow. Now we take question box and write some message on it. If user press project requirement, then we will send over this message. Please share a short summary of your project goals and technical scope. We'll review and assign the right specialist. You can also email detailed document to simply I'm using email and select the contact custom field. Email. Also select the format, that is text format. Now save the flow. Now we take text button and write some message on it. If user press explore our service, then we will send over this message and simply connect explore our service button to this message box. Now we take question box. In this box, we ask a name from user. If user press book consultation, then we will send over this message. Now select the contact custom field, full name. Also select the format, that is text format. Now save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section and you will see I am also using asterisk sign. Asterisk sign we simply use for bold the text. Now we take another question box and write some message on it. Thanks $full name. What area do you need help with? Now you will see we are using $sign. Why we use $sign? When user enter their name, the $sign replace their name with full name. Now we select the contact custom field, service. Also select the format, text format. Now connect this question box to this box. Now we take another question box. In this box we ask date and time from user. Now we select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now connect the question box to this box. Now we take another text button and write our final message on it. Got it. Name, project topic, date and time. Now we connect this question box to this message box and save the flow. So you will see we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot for aerospace engineering firm business. Now it's time to test it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and write satellite integration services. Now you will see I'm getting a response. We are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.